Hi there, Scott Francis, editor of Products Finishing here with a quick look at what you can expect to find in the August issue of our magazine. This month's cover story delves into the ways powder coaters are increasingly turning to the tools of lean manufacturing and Industry 4.0 to reduce costs and improve quality and increase productivity. The feature profiles 4 companies who are using smart solutions to increase throughput and improve process efficiency and quality while reducing energy and water usage and controlling costs. You'll also get a look at the ways various coatings enable automotive brake systems and how those solutions are evolving in the age of increasing electrification of vehicles. Discover insights for effective rectifier maintenance and tips for understanding how to prevent the generation of excess heat in order to keep your equipment running correctly, which is especially important in the late summer. Products Finishing is also looking ahead to its forthcoming Electroless Nickel Conference, coming up September 26th through 28th in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Check out a preview of what you can expect at this educational event packed with EN industry information and networking opportunities. As always, you'll find helpful Ask the Experts clinics covering finishing troubleshooting topics, insightful columns, and the latest industry news and product announcements. Visit pfonline.com and click on the latest issue tab to download or subscribe. Thanks a lot.